Welcome to another help video. In this video, we'll be going over the menu links section of the Menu and Pages tab. So let's begin. Menu links are not subpages, they are just links. You can add menu links that redirect to internal pages on your website or external pages onto other websites. Once you add a menu link, it will appear in the Menu Item Overview section. These blue boxes are your menu tabs, and the gray boxes are your menu links. Menu links can be inserted into any of the main menu tabs. Note, subpages will appear first, and then menu links will follow. Let's go into the demo site so you can see what these look like from the public side. These blue boxes are the menu links that were the blue boxes in the admin side. Under these tabs will be your sub-tabs and your menu links. Let's go back into the admin side so we can learn how to add menu links. Let's go over adding an internal link. First, enter a title for the link. Next, choose what page on your website you want the link to take your visitors and select that page from the internal page list. Then, choose the location of the link from the drop-down list. Finally, select Add Link and the new link will appear in the menu overview. As you can see, the new advertising menu link has appeared under the Interact tab. Next, let's go over adding an external page. First, enter a title for the link. Then, enter the URL for the external page to link to. Finally, choose the location of the link from the drop-down list. And again, add link so the new link will appear in the menu overview. So as you can see, both Instagram and advertising have both been added. If you click the addition button, there's a variety of different settings I want to go over in this. First, you can change the title of the menu link. You can also change the target, which basically means you can determine how the menu links will open. There are three options. If you choose same window, the link will open in the existing window. This is the default option, so select this link when linking an internal page. There's a new window option where the link will open in a new window or tab. It's very important to select this option when linking to an external page. Finally, there is a top window option. The link will open outside of an iframe. This option is not commonly used. So since this advertising menu link was an internal page, I'm going to click the same window. For Instagram, since it was an external link, I'm going to change it to new window. Also note that you can delete menu links by clicking this red icon. Finally, I want to note that there is no option in the settings to change the URL. If you do need to change it, you would need to delete this whole menu link and recreate it. Also, if you hold and drag the addition button, you can rearrange the order of your menu links. Finally, select Save Menu Changes and all of your changes will be saved. Before ending this video, I want to take you into our demo site to show you what these menu links look like. So under the Interact tab, we can click Advertising and it's a same window menu link, meaning that we are staying on the same tab and took us right to the advertising information that we wanted to get to. We go back up to the Interact tab and go to Instagram. It's a new window menu link, meaning it'll take us to Instagram in a new tab. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our help center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos and we'll see you next time.